Straitline Components has a long history of successes in building high-end products that put the riders in the #1 spot. In the world of extreme mountain bikes, athletes cannot afford a failure. The quest for the podium is often riding on the fact that they can trust their equipment. A gear failure out in the field can put an athlete out for a single event or for life.
There's only one thing we really want to be known for, and that's high-quality products.
People know that when they buy a Straitline, they're buying a bulletproof product that's got a lot of top-end riders behind it. They know they're getting what they're paying for, and they're getting something that looks beautiful at the same time. I guess our success in the mountain bike world hinged on the fact that the high quality spoke for itself, and word of mouth spread like wildfire. People do want quality, and that's what we give them.
The success in the gravity-fed market was only the first step into the biking industry for the Straitline team.
Our current stems now are for the gravity markets, and the average person doesn't need such a hardcore product. So our new stem is going to diversify the company. We're going to reach into what you call the all-mountain market, which is globally, internationally huge.
To introduce a new stem to the global market meant Straitline needed to improve on all the other designs already on the market. Building a new stem, keeping it light, achieving good finishes, and staying competitive in the market was a very tall order.
Yeah, I love the challenge of making new products. Really, the problem is not coming up with the idea or the solution to a problem, because I'm pretty good at that, but it gets to the point where somebody has to actually make it.
To manufacture the product that Dennis designed, it was going to be very costly to produce. It required multiple machines, multiple setups. It was just not going to be cost effective. To me, the solution was more a machine that can do everything.
After extensive research on the latest technology on the market, the Paulson brothers pinpointed the Doosan MX2100 as a solution to their problem.
It can do everything we want it to do. It'll do all of our milling, all of our turning. It's got boatloads of tools. Being able to run two parts at once is very big for us.
In the past, our designs were limited by the conventional machining processes of vertical mills and two-axis lathes. Investing in technology like the Doosan has allowed us the flexibility to incorporate all kinds of machining processes, because this machine can do everything in one shot with very minimal setup times, minimal fixturing. I can change from one stem to another just by a matter of changing out a set of chuck jaws, so the time savings are incredible.
The end result of this new technology? A lighter, stronger, and aesthetically pleasing stem, which is perfectly positioning the Straitline team to take the market by storm.
Being an athlete of Straitline Components, I do every aspect of the sport: dirt jump, downhill, and I do a lot of cross country for training. Anything they do that comes to fruition with their product basically sets the bar and leaves the rest to follow. So it's great that they're introducing a stem to the market along with their new all-mountain pedals, and it's a great feeling. I have a lot of confidence in their product, and that's really important for a racer who's in professional category in downhill mountain biking. It's really exciting.
We compete in a global market against some big companies, right? So for us to come up with a stem and make it stick out, this thing had to be perfect. And I've seen the part, and like when people see it when we do shop tours, they just freak out because it looks like it's just popped out of the sky. So it's amazing. And as a marketer, I'm stoked because I don't have to do much work.
We're definitely excited about the future because we've got a lot of capability here, and it's going to allow us to venture into a lot of markets that we haven't ever even thought of delving into before.
There's industries that we could serve with this kind of machine that there's not a lot of competition for out there right now.
The sky's the limit now, pretty much. We've got so many machines with so many different capabilities and stuff that other people don't generally have, and I think it leads to a lot of open doors for us.
Doosan, technology, productivity, value.